Hey everyone! Welcome back to Holistic Health Haven. If you're new here, we explore natural ways to feel your best. So hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay in the loop. Now, who here loves honey? It's delicious, versatile, and did you know it's been used medicinally for centuries? That's right, this golden liquid is packed with goodness. And today, we're diving deep into the amazing health benefits of honey. We'll cover everything from soothing those pesky coughs and colds to how it can even help heal wounds faster. So stick around, because you don't want to miss this sweet journey to better health. Remember those times when a cold had you feeling absolutely awful? Well, your pantry probably holds a secret weapon against those sniffles and sneezes: honey. Honey is a natural cough suppressant. Seriously, studies have shown it can be even more effective than some over-the-counter cough syrups. Imagine that, something natural working better than something from a bottle. Think about it. Honey has this thick, syrupy texture that coats and soothes the throat. It's like giving your throat a warm hug from the inside out. This helps to reduce irritation, which in turn calms down that nagging cough. Now, if you want to give your honey an extra boost, try adding some lemon and ginger. Lemon is a natural source of vitamin C, which is known to support the immune system. And ginger, well, ginger is like the superhero of anti-inflammation. It can help reduce swelling and pain, making it the perfect sidekick for your honey remedy. Just mix a tablespoon of honey with some warm water, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, and grate a little bit of ginger. Stir it up, sip slowly, and feel the soothing relief. Remember though, honey isn't a substitute for medical advice. If you're feeling really unwell, always reach out to your doctor. Okay, now let's talk about wound care. For centuries, honey has been used to treat wounds, and there's a good reason for that. It's a natural antibacterial and antimicrobial agent. Think back to ancient civilizations. They didn't have all the fancy medications we have today, so they relied on nature's medicine cabinet. Honey was a staple in their wound care routine because it helped prevent infections and promoted healing. You see, honey has this amazing property. It draws water out of the wound, which creates an environment that's not very hospitable to bacteria. Plus, it has natural enzymes that produce hydrogen peroxide, another powerful germ fighter. Now, I'm not saying you should ditch your first aid kit entirely, but for minor cuts, burns, and scrapes, applying a thin layer of raw, unprocessed honey can actually speed up the healing process and reduce scarring. It's like having a little bit of ancient wisdom at your fingertips. Of course, if you have a serious wound or you're not sure how to treat it properly, please consult a healthcare professional. All right, let's move on to something that affects us all: digestion. Yep, that's right. Honey can even give your gut a helping hand. Honey is a prebiotic, which means it acts as food for the good bacteria in your gut. These good bacteria are crucial for a healthy digestive system. They help break down food, fight off bad bacteria, and even play a role in boosting your immune system. If you're prone to acid reflux or heartburn, honey can be a lifesaver. Its thick texture helps coat the esophagus, preventing those painful acid splashes. Just make sure to consume it in moderation, as too much sugar can actually worsen acid reflux in some people. And let's not forget about that natural energy boost honey provides. It's packed with simple sugars that are easily absorbed by the body, providing a quick pick-me-up when you're feeling sluggish. So next time you're reaching for a sugary energy drink, consider swapping it out for a spoonful of honey or a cup of honey-sweetened tea. Remember though, while honey offers a range of digestive benefits, it's always a good idea to listen to your body. If you experience any digestive discomfort after consuming honey, it's best to consult a healthcare professional to rule out any potential allergies or sensitivities. So there you have it. Honey is more than just a sweetener. It's a natural remedy with a long history of healing. From soothing coughs to promoting wound healing and supporting digestion, honey has something to offer everyone. Have you tried honey as a remedy before? What are your favorite ways to use it? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Holistic Health Haven for more natural health tips. And share this video with your friends and family so they can also benefit from the power of honey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.